According to the Uganda Bureau of Statistics, WUBAS, females constitute 51.4% of Uganda's 45.9 million people. This population includes millions of school-going girls whose education continues to be disrupted by one of the country's persistent challenges, period poverty. Research estimates that more than 13 million women and girls lack access to sanitary pads, while 1 in 4 girls misses or drops out of school because they cannot afford menstrual hygiene products.
Making their lives miserable. The poor child of the nation lacks menstrual materials to use, making her lose her confidence due to the heavy cramping waves that still her smile.
In response, government ministries, development partners, and the private sector have launched a national campaign aimed at ensuring every school-going girl has access to sanitary pads.
People that on average, a young girl in my village in Kamuli, Bugulumbia, misses 3 days of school a month.
The Minister of Education and Sports, Minister of ICT and National Guidance, Minister of Health, Members of Parliament, the Union Transport Alliance and the media stakeholders have jointly launched the Kili to raise awareness about period poverty and its impact on girls' education. The campaign, dubbed 1 Million Girls, 1 Pack for 1 Girl for a Year, was unveiled at the Uganda Media Center with a call for collective action to ensure girls remain in school. Speaking at the launch, Fred Senoga, Business Product Advisor at the Union Transport Alliance, said the transport sector has committed to delivering sanitary pads to girls across the country at no transport cost, making menstrual hygiene products more accessible to vulnerable communities.
Our strength for numbers, in the Union Transport Alliance, we are in each and every district in Uganda. Abakulembeze nebangamba, let us structure a campaign whereby we mobilize all Ugandans, foreigners, to help us on this issue. We worked out the price, nti emitwalo ebiri, only 20k can give a girl child a pack emumazako omwaka omulamba. With that pack, when you break it up, is only 1,300 shillings.
Leaders from the Bus Drivers Association, Boda Association, tax operators also pledged to mobilize their members to support the campaign beginning in central Uganda before expanding to communities across the country.
Zengera contributing mu government schools kuba nkimanyi wali abaana government yaterawo ekkubo eri abaana okusoma wadde ng'omuzadde talina ssente.
Era nga mwami Mawejje bw'agambye naye nga chairman ave ekalungu manye eri abateesobola nja kutwala mu constituency gyenva nja kugulirayo abaana b'amasomero abo sanitary pads nange za bukadde 2 inshallah.
A girl should not drop out of school because of a simple sanitary pad.
Menstrual health and turn it into a public health, because as young girls we want to tell you all, it is the issue that we deal with even when you can afford pads. How about those that cannot afford pads?
Experts say menstruation is beginning at younger ages than before, with some girls starting as early as 9 years. According to Dr. Richard Mugahi from the Ministry of Health, inadequate menstrual health support increases girls' vulnerability to early pregnancies, school dropout, and child marriage, ultimately contributing to high fertility rates. He warned that failure to address period poverty could lead to children giving birth to children, underscoring the urgency for all stakeholders to act.
25% are not finishing school. So what can we do as a nation? I feel that this is a time for us to unite as a country, because this one affects every household, every one of us.
It matters to us because it provides us with pads, and some people cannot buy them. Some people are there buying the old ones, which can cause harm to them. It has too much hotness that you can't manage. Seeing as a girl, it is the organization that is going to help us in our problems as a girl child. And we are so happy for the gifts that they have given us. Thank you very much.
Naguja Serena. for NSTV.